Hello world, Om Namah Shivaya. You are doing yoga, but still you are facing issues like anger issues, like anxiety, like restless body, and sometimes you feel like you are very tired, but you are doing yoga. Sometimes you do not sleep at night properly because you are doing only asanas, but yoga starts from the YAM. So today we are talking about YAM. YAM is a part of Ashtanga Yoga, Ashtanga Yog. This is ancient yoga techniques in which 8 limbs or 8 parts or 8 types of rules or disciplines is being taught to live a yogic life every day, every hour, every single hours. So when you follow Ashtanga Yoga, then you will be doing real yoga, not performing only asanas, is real yoga. And the YAM is the first step, or this is the foundation of yoga. YAM, it means how you behave with the outer world. Why and how yoga can be a Kalpavriksha. Not performing YAMs, not performing Ashtanga Yoga, and you are doing only Asana and pranayama, then you are not doing real yoga. Real yoga is Kalpavriksha. It means your thoughts will become reality, but before that you have to think how do you live with the outer world, not with only the people, with animals also, with our body, our thoughts also, how we are behaving with this. So there are 5 YAMs which have been taught by ancient India. Let's understand each one simply. So Ahimsa is non-violence, non-violence with the others, by words, by actions, or by thoughts. So you have to be non-violent to the outer world or to ourselves. There is no space in the yoga of violence. So you have to be non-violent all the time. In future videos we will discuss one by one deeply. And second is Satya, speak truth. Even if your voice shake, speak truth to yourself and to others. Asteya means don't steal what's not yours. Either money, either time, either respect, either credit. Don't take if it's not yours. This is how you have to live. These are the parts of yoga no one is talking about. Next is Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is a very different aspects. We will discuss deeply also. But Brahmacharya is not only celibacy, but it is the control of your energy and redirect it to the wanted things which are good for you. Next, Aparigraha. Aparigraha means detachment from whole worlds. Let go greed off. No greed for anything. No fame, no name, no money. No greed. Just live your life wherever you are and be free to the God. So these are the 5 YAMs which are Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha. I started from asanas, but then these are the foundation which I start developing by myself, started following YAMs, niyams, asana, pranayama, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. These are the Ashtanga Yoga. This is the 8 limbs of yoga. So first of all you have to follow YAMs. And then I thought yoga is just not only about performing asanas. It's touching your truth, yourself. Your thoughts will become pure, your actions will become powerful, and your life will be peaceful when you follow. These are the basics of yoga. That is real yoga. Yoga is not only performing asanas and breathing exercise. I am telling you, this is the next thing. First of all, we have to starting from the YAM. This is the foundation of yoga. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Om Namah Shivaya. See you soon in the next video, which will be on Ahimsa, non-violence. This is the requirement of this world.